what you done. I told you about all those fears and the way they did run. You sure must be strong, and you feel like an ocean made warm by the sun.
Come on, we gotta go.
Wait, what am I forgetting?
Nothing, you're not forgetting anything. Let's go. Oh, wait, I'm forgetting something.
What?
I swear that I dreamt.
Let's go get married.
Yeah.
And a kiss that
Bottle for Marvin during takeoff. Got it, babe.
And hey, just think. 1 week from right now,
We'll be in Italy.
we'll be in Italy.
Okay, I gotta go, baby. I love you.
You still haven't told her.
No. This is face-to-face news.
Good luck with that, Your Honor.
don't go thinking you gotta be tough and play like a stone.
Hello.
Could be there's nothing else.
You want me to grab your bag?
Yeah, thanks.
Hey, I don't want to draw focus from the wedding, so don't tell anyone about Chicago.
It's a major city with a bunch of sports teams and some pretty good pizza. I think people know about Chicago. What time do you leave on Monday?
Early. Gonna have to head back to the city Sunday night.
How are you gonna get back?
Guess I'll take the train.
Remember walking a mile to your house, a glow in the dark. I made a fumbling play for your heart, and the axe struck a spark. You wore a charm and a chain that I stole, is special for you. Love's such a delicate thing that we do with nothing to prove, which I never knew.
Hi. One ticket to Farhampton, please.